You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word from Italian. Now, in Italian, it simply means milk. This is the word meaning milk in Italian, but it is, outside of Italy, mainly associated to a type of coffee. In Italian it is said as latte. Latte. Double T means twice as long a T. Latte. But in English it is generally pronounced as latte. Latte. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.